Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you're all well rested after the Thanksgiving long weekend. Of course, after Black Friday comes Cyber Monday, and TipRanks is continuing their huge Black Friday sale today, offering 40% off premium TipRanks subscriptions. So if you've been considering unlocking some of the best investment research tools, now is a great time to do so. The link for the sale will be in the description and comments down below. Of course, this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. So let's get started with the morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are currently in the red this morning. Dow futures are down 0.53%, S&P 500 futures down 0.72%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.71%. Markets are falling as protests continue to spread across China against their tight zero COVID policy. COVID-19 cases have been rising to record highs in China, and in line with the country's zero COVID policies, there have been very strict lockdowns to help prevent the spread of the disease. But of course, these lockdowns and consequent protests threaten to disrupt the world's second largest economy and largest crude importer. COVID lockdowns and protests could also mean that Apple will see their iPhone production fall short by as many as 6 million units. This is due to unrest at their Zhengzhou manufacturing hub in China that is operated by Apple's iPhone supplier, Foxconn. They've been facing one challenge after another. They were hit by COVID-related disruptions and then further hit by violent protests by workers last week due to delayed bonus payments. The lost iPhone production estimate could still change if lockdowns continue and depend on how quickly Foxconn can get their workers back to producing. Analysts currently rate the Apple stock a strong buy with an average upside of nearly 22%. Shares of several U.S. casino stocks are on the rise after the Macau government renewed their licenses. The license renewals help to relieve a big risk factor in that sector. The new licenses are expected to take effect at the beginning of 2023 and run for a maximum term of 10 years. The licenses do come with a few conditions that include boosting local employment, attracting tourists, and pushing non-gambling offerings as well. And Tesla is getting ready to deliver their first lot of semi-Class 8 trucks on December 1st. Tesla will be hosting an event at their Nevada Gigafactory from where the deliveries will begin. They expect to produce about 50,000 Tesla semis in 2024. To ensure the efficiency and capability of their semi-trucks, Elon Musk noted that Tesla team undertook a 500-mile test drive with the semi-trailer truck weighing nearly 81,000 pounds. The estimated charge-up time for 70% power is just about half an hour. Beverage king Pepsi will be one of the first customers to receive deliveries of the semi-trucks. Analysts currently rate the Tesla stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 68%. And as holiday shoppers continue to migrate their shopping online, Shopify announced that they had record-setting sales for Black Friday. Starting the day off in New Zealand and ending in California, Shopify saw sales of $3.36 billion. That was a 17% increase year over year. During their peak period of activity, merchants on Shopify saw sales of $3.5 million per minute. Top-selling countries included United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. Analysts currently rate the Shopify stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 12%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Today will be quite quiet for earnings reports, but we do have a few big names coming up later in the week. Tomorrow we'll start off with CrowdStrike Holdings, Hewlett-Packard, and Intuit. And later in the week we'll hear from Salesforce, Dollar General, Kroger, and Marvell Technology. In the pre-market this morning, we did hear from Pinduoduo. Their stock is soaring after beating on both earnings and revenue and seeing big year-over-year growth. Their Q3 earnings per share came in at $1.21. That was 49 cents ahead of estimates. Revenue came in at $4.99 billion, which was $690 million over estimates and a 65% year-over-year increase. The increase came in from online marketing services and transaction services. Analysts currently rate the Pinduoduo stock a strong buy with an average upside of over 30%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Pinduoduo following their earnings. Trading under the ticker PDD, the stock is currently up over 14%. They're followed by Axsome Therapeutics under AXSM, up 13.5%, and Univar under UNVR, up over 10%. And our biggest losers this morning are led by Zim Integrated Shipping. That is, of course, because it is their ex-dividend date, and Zim pays a massive dividend, so that's going to put pressure on their stock until their payment date of December 7th. Trading under the ticker ZIM, the stock is currently down over 10%. They're followed by Ansys under ANSS, down nearly 6%, and Relay Therapeutics under RLAY, down 5.2%. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Don't forget to take advantage of the TipRanks Cyber Monday sale with 40% off premium subscriptions by following the link in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. Don't forget to say good morning in the comments as well, and I'll see you back here next time.